Resource groups and resource management. In Azure, you can create different kinds of resources, like virtual machines, web applications, databases, etc. But there will be some point when you would like to group those resources, and that grouping of resources is called as a resource group. In Azure, you can think of a resource group as a container that would allow you to keep all the resources inside it. Then you will be able to manage them more effectively. For example, you can check the billing of that resource group. A resource group will let you effectively manage the application collectively, as it becomes difficult to manage objects individually. So how are the resources created in Azure? The resources in Azure are created through the Azure portal, PowerShell, Azure CLI, REST API, or a software development kit, SDK. Resource Manager is a management layer, in which the resource groups, and all the resources within it, are created, configured, managed, and deleted. Thus, it allows you to automate the deployment and configuration of resources, using different automation and scripting techniques.